Hey guys, this is Akhilesh from Datacense. Today we are going to learn how to change the text case for so many columns. Normally what you would do, you would go to an empty cell and then you will write formula like lower or upper or proper case and you will refer these cells. And then the output you copy paste in the original place. But that is requiring some additional cells, and when the number of columns are too many, it becomes tedious. So we will go for a VBA method, and don't worry, you don't need to learn programming for this. We will just do copy paste. So what I have in this fourth sheet is I'm having three codes: uppercase, making it lowercase, and making it proper case. Now you need to paste it somewhere in the VBA editor. How to access VBA editor? So let us first copy the text related to the macro, then go to your Excel file, press Alt F11, that will open the VBA editor. Then select this VBA project, which is for personal.xlsb, and then go to this icon and click on module. So this will insert one more module here, a blank one. Paste your macros here, okay, and then you can just save the file. The benefit of saving it in personal.xlsb is that this will be available in all the Excel files. If you just save it here, then it will be available, these macros will be available only in this file. They will not work in other files. Now let's try our macros. So our macro should have something selected, then only that macro can run properly. Okay, so select the range, click on uppercase, run, and you can see everything got changed to uppercase. Now what we need to improve is, to access the macro you need to go to view, then macro, then view macro, and then you need to click on run. Okay, so to make this process even simpler, what you need to do, we will use this quick access toolbar. So you can right click there, customize quick access toolbar, and whatever is available here, that's visible here also. Okay, so we will add our macros in this list. So first on the left side we will find our macros. So lowercase add, proper case add, uppercase add. So all the three macros are on this side. You can modify these macro names and look and feel to some extent. Like lowercase, let me go to modify, and then I will give it a certain icon like this clock, and I will change the name to something shorter. Click OK. Same goes for proper case, modify, change the name, and then let me give a random this telephone icon. Okay, uppercase, modify, and this time let me select this capital A and small a. Okay, and click OK. Now you can see those three icons are visible here. So to use the macro, select and click on this one, maybe uppercase, maybe proper case. So this one is lower, so you can, when you hover, you can see which macro it is. Okay, make it proper case. So first letter is capital, everything else is small, and uppercase, lowercase. So within a second you can change the whole text. So that's it from my side. Hope you found it useful. Please like the video, share your feedback in the comment section and what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.